Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you the most bizarre camera that I have in the Standard Double 8mm section, the Konica Zoom 8. This one took batteries. Battery compartments here. You take this part, this little slider, push it back and it opens the battery compartment. It has a battery holder that you have to push up and remove just like so. Alright, so here's the battery compartment. Open it up here, and there you are. Good thing this is clean. However, at present time this camera will not operate. Got to do a lot of work on it. There you go. Alright, we're going to push this back in and slide this right here to lock it. Alright, so what's so odd about this camera? Well, turn it over to show you. I'm going to take this film door, flip it up, turn it, open it up. Got a hinge on it. Notice anything? Wow. Remove this spindle here for the supply. Okay, there we are. So what's weird about it, if you haven't figured out already, number one, the lens is set in here like this. Okay, so it's from here all the way to the back. In addition, look at this. Right here, the film gate and the claw are backwards. Strange, huh? So that would mean you have to load the film in with a supply here, the take up here, which is standard, but instead of it loading this way to the lens for the gate is backwards, so everything has to be loaded back here. That's a bit strange. It does have some guides though with the arrows, and that's great. Okay, I've got this little lever here. I can rotate this to and fro, this to and fro, but it does have to have some work on it. It really does. Light seals have got to be changed. That's when you get any vintage movie camera in, so you won't have any light leaks. But take a look at that. There's the eyepiece. Look at this. That's odd. Again, roller here. Film gate here, claw right there. Take a closer look. Man. So again, it's not operating. It's going to take who knows how much time to repair this. Not sure how faith I have in it, bring it back to life. But time will tell. That's just really odd. Someone wanted to be different in the market. What I really don't like about it that much, it does take batteries. This is when you wish you had a spring motor down inside of here. Alright, so you load your film. It's got to come through this way, of course. For those of you who don't know, you get first getting standard 8mm camera, first getting into low budget filmmaking. This one may not be for you. Alright, so then you would close it up. This one's the door is gonna stick out a bit, as you can see. You have to kind of press it in. and turn it back and lock it. There you go. So with that, again, there's a port for the lens right here, the diopter, I suppose, rather. Here, show you that again. I do like the focusing knob right here. And then of course you would look through the viewfinder here. But there you go. Push this down. Operation here. You have an R for run. Slide it back the other way. L for lock. And it's not going to go down. Slide it back to R for run, and you can push that down like that. Okay. That's a strange one, especially for anyone first getting in to low budget filmmaking with standard double 8mm. Look at the film plane, where usually it's about here or here. It's all the way at the back. But even though if it turns out it will not operate, it is a nice conversation piece. So that's something I just wanted to show you. A lot of projects going on, and that is a bizarre piece. Just can't get over it. So there we have it, everyone. The Konica Zoom 8 takes batteries there, and the, where is that again? The film plane is all the way back here. You load this one backwards. Pretty strange as far as most cameras go. Okay, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.